Hey YouTube, today we're gonna unbox and do a quick review of these Lasfit safe and custom floor liners. They're really floor mats, and we're gonna install it in this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This is the L version. Up until I started looking for floor mats for this Jeep, I'd never really heard of Lasfit as a floor mat company. I've heard of them making headlights and they sell on Amazon and all that. I bought these directly from the manufacturer, and they come in this little box, and they for the front, second and third row of this Jeep. So let's rip this box open and see what we have. Let's see what they look like. Let's get to it. So here's what comes in the box. You have the mats for the back, you have the driver and passenger front mats, and then you have the second row mats. We didn't get the one for the trunk area. I didn't like the way it looked on the website. So apparently these things, they're a little bit hard. I'm not sure if they need to sit out in the sun to soften up a little bit. But we'll go ahead. I actually went and put these out in the sun so that they soften up a little bit if needed. I don't know if they do or not. I just want to take a quick look at this before I actually put them inside the Jeep. They're branded Lasfit, but who cares really? As long as they catch the dirt and hold really well. What I like are these raised sides here that would prevent dirt from getting on the carpet. This is the passenger side, and this here, sorry, this is the driver side, and this here is the passenger side. And the same thing, raised on the sides, and the ones on the back too, kind of similar. Let's go ahead and take the old mats out of the Jeep and see what it looks like in there. All right, here's the factory mats. This Jeep barely has 1,000 miles on it, so all we got to do is pull these mats out, do a quick vacuum on the inside, and put the new ones in. You have these little snaps. They just snap out. The ones on the back, they're not very nasty. Just doing a quick comparison. On the left hand side, that's the factory carpeted floor mat. On the right hand side is the Lasfit aftermarket one. They have these little tabs here, or these little things that you could pop out to clip the floor mat into the carpet so it doesn't move, into the factory floor so it doesn't move. And they just snap right into place. You could hear it snap, and the fit is actually quite good. I mean, like, man, this thing actually costs about half the price of the WeatherTechs, which is why I got these, because they were so cost effective, and it fits really good. Let's go ahead and put the passenger side on. This is a pretty nice fit too, right over the sills. So I decided to replace the third row ones before I do the second row ones, and just realized that I need to vacuum back here too. Here's just a quick comparison of the factory carpeted floor mat compared to the Lasfit floor mat. You can see it's much bigger, and this is for the third row, and it covers the center part. There's a little walkway in between the two captain's chairs in the back, so that the entire floor is actually protected. Let's go ahead and pop this in. You could see on the third row, this thing gives a whole lot more protection. I'm gonna drop the seats down and see how it looks. You could see the full length of the little walk-in between the two captain's chairs protected, as well as the floor in front of the third row behind the second row seats. And here's what they look like. The fit is pretty good. I knew we could see that the full floor mat, the full floor is protected. The one on the second row fits up under the one from the third row, so this is completely protected, as well as all the way back there. Only time will tell how good these floor mats hold up. The test will really be this front driver floor mat, because this is the one that's going to see the most use. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.